You can join again. I guess there is some problem. Omkar one way. Okay. Uh, so as we were discussing, we'll start with the topic of average. Now today we are going to try and record this lecture as well, and if possible, I'll just find a way of sharing the link of this lecture with you guys so that if you miss out on some of the key points, you can look at it later. Okay. So very good. So we'll start with um, the topic. Okay. Is it visible? The presentation? Okay. Very good. So the topic for today is average. Now, the formula for average is very simple. It's a very simple topic which we have been using. And like percentage yesterday, average is also quite commonly used, especially in our academics. हमारे मार्क्स का जनरली एवरेज पूछते हैं आपके 4 साल के इंजीनियरिंग का एग्रीगेट या फिर एवरेज पूछते हैं सो बेसिकली you know the concept of average. Okay, we'll just start with the basic things. The formula for average: if we have x1 x2 x3 until xn quantities, then the average of these n quantities is equal to addition of all the terms upon n. Now why n? Because there are n terms, so therefore we are dividing it by n. Now in general terms, I can also say that average is equal to sum of all items in the group upon number of items in the group. Very simple. Okay. Now moving on. Now there are a few properties of average which we need to know. Okay. Now average of any two or more quantities necessarily lies between the lowest and the highest values of the given data. Okay. So इसका मतलब क्या है? So if we arrange all the values in ascending order, that is x1 is the smallest value and xn is the highest value, average हमेशा इन दोनों values के बीच की आएगी. Now this is not a very important or any rocket science. This is very logical. Average हमेशा lowest और highest के बीच का आता है. Some value between these two things. Okay. So now knowing this property will help you in eliminating options as well. Okay. Now check out this question. The average of 8, 9, 12, 13, 15, 9 is. What will be the answer from the options? 11. Okay. Now by knowing this property, आपको कुछ solve भी नहीं करना है, but by seeing at the property you can get the answer that it is 11. Why is it 11? Because the smallest number here is 8 and the highest number is 15. So the average cannot be less than 8. So therefore 6 जो है वो cancel out हो गया. So 6 is eliminated. 15 highest है. Therefore 16 and 18 भी eliminate हो गया. And 11 remains the only thing. So 11 is your answer. Otherwise, obviously, we can get the answer like this. We have 6 terms over here. सारे terms की addition की. Addition is 66. 66 upon 6. Answer is 11. Now, ये तो सारे लोग करेंगे. But if you know this property, it could be done in 1 second itself. Okay. So try and remember this important property. Now, let's see the second property. Now, before seeing the second property, find out the answer for this one. Vaibhav is getting 50, 50 or 48. 48. Okay. Now very simple. आपको सिर्फ addition करना है. Okay. The addition comes out to be 240. So 240 upon 5 is 48. Okay. So the people who have got 48, it is perfectly correct. 50 जिनका आया है, please concentrate on the addition. You might have done a silly mistake over there. Now the second property is very important. If each quantity, this is very important, if each quantity is increased by a certain value k, each quantity, मतलब यहाँ पे quantities क्या क्या है, ये 20 है, 30 है, 60, 80 एंड 50. वी हैव 5 क्वांटिटीज. अगर हर एक क्वांटिटी k वैल्यू से बढ़ती है, द एवरेज will also increase by k. Let's see this thing. Now, if we have solved the previous question, यहाँ पे ज्यादा कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं. You can get the answer orally. What would be the answer over here? Correct, 60. Now, why is it 60? Because each A, B, C, D, E have imported 12 new TV sets. Okay. Now we have already found out the previous average as 48. So 48 plus 12, we get the answer as 60. वैसा नहीं करना है तो आपको it would be like this. ये पहले सारे terms है until here 20 till 50 हमने सारे terms add किए. Now each thing is being increased by 12 and there are 5 quantities. So 12 into 5 हमने add किया. इसका एडिशन ऑलरेडी 240 था. 240 प्लस 60, 300. 300 अपॉन 5 is 60. Okay. So avoid increasing your manual efforts. Be smart and that would be very useful for you. Now same thing यहाँ पे increase हुआ है. Now I am not bombarding you with a lot of properties here. Increase की जगह अगर यहाँ पे decreased होता, ओके, सो डिक्रीज अगर है तो 40 यहाँ पे हैव इंपोर्टेड 12 लेस टीवी सेट्स. अगर ऐसा होता तो नया एवरेज आता हमारा 48 माइनस 12, दैट इज 36. करेक्ट, परफेक्ट. सो बी केयरफुल. यहाँ पे अगर आपको दिया कि हर एक क्वांटिटी इज मल्टीप्लाइड बाय अ सर्टेन वैल्यू, सेम थिंग होगा यहाँ पे भी. आपका एवरेज मल्टीप्लाई उसी क्वांटिटी से होगा. ओके. सो बी केयरफुल, यूज दीज स्मॉल प्रॉपर्टीज विच विल बी वेरी यूजफुल फॉर यू. Okay. Now find the average score of Ram over here. Okay, Omkar, Akanksha, Vedant, Shubham. Okay, perfect. Everyone has got the correct answer as 87. Very simple thing. अगर ये सारे एडिशन किया तो आ जाएगा 696 अपॉन 8 इज इक्वल टू 87. आई गेस आप सबने ऐसे ही किया है. नाउ दिस इज अ perfectly valid and correct method, but I will teach you another simple method. यहाँ पे इतने सारे नंबर्स है और आपका कैरी फॉरवर्ड में मिस्टेक हो सकता है, एंड देयर आर मेनी थिंग्स वेयर in the matter of hurry we make mistakes. So now what we are going to do is we are going to assume one average. यहाँ पे दिया है now what is the smallest number. यहाँ पे smallest number is 78 and the biggest number is 97. I am taking a randomly between value of these two things, that is 85. Okay, now 85 जो value है I am going to subtract from each of these numbers. Okay, now let's see what I'm saying. 85 मैंने यहाँ पे लिखा है. Now this is a random assumption. It can be anything. Okay, now what I have done is 78 minus 85. I have got minus 7. 82 minus 85. I have got minus 3, and so on. Everyone has understood this part. This is a very easy trick, especially because यहाँ पे numbers सारे small हो जाता है, उसकी वजह से आपका addition और subtraction becomes very simple. Okay, so till the last thing, 97 minus 85, I get it as 12, which is over here. So basically सारे numbers जो आपको दिए हैं इसमें से मैंने 85 subtract किया. So adding these values, I am getting here 16. 85 already है plus 16 upon 8. 16 upon 8 is 2. So 85 plus 2, I get the answer as 87. Any doubts over here? Repeat. Okay. आप कोई भी एक वैल्यू एज्यूम करो. यहाँ पे 85 मैंने लिखा हुआ है. I'll take another value over here. Okay. Now let's say 88 या फिर 90 लेता हूं. 90 I have taken. So अब ये प्लस नहीं होगा क्योंकि now I have assumed the value as 90. अब ये सारे जो नंबर्स है यहाँ पे इसमें से 90 आपको सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. ओके, सो 78 minus 90 is minus 12. 82 minus 90 is minus 8. 84 minus 90 is minus 6. 86 minus 90 is minus 4. 87 minus 90 is minus 3. 89 minus 90 is minus 1. 93 minus 90. Now 93 minus 90 क्या होगा? That would be plus 3. And 97 minus 90 will be plus 7 upon. Okay. Now I'll just okay. So now इसका एडिशन कितना आ रहा है निकालो. -12 -8. Okay, now you can be smart over here. यहाँ पे -3 है, +3 कैंसिल आउट हो गया. यहाँ पे -6 -1 -7 है, यहाँ पे +7 कैंसिल आउट हो गया. सो बेसिकली ये इतने ही नंबर्स है. Is there anything else we have got? So we have minus 12, minus 8, and minus 4 upon 8. So we have got 90 plus minus 24 upon 8. Now minus 24 upon 8 is nothing but minus 3. So 90 minus 3, we get the same answer as 87. Correct. Perfect. So I guess you have understood now. You can take any assumption. यहाँ पे मैंने 85 लिखा है, बाद में 90 से किया है. आपको जो भी एज्यूम करना है वो आप एज्यूम कर सकते हो, and you will eventually get the correct answer, that is 87 in this particular case. Okay, hopefully this would be useful whenever you have big numbers. Okay, so remember this trick. Moving on. Okay, now try to solve this question. Fourteen. Okay, so some of you have started getting the answer. So now these kind of questions you can form a table. Table करना जरूरी नहीं है, but if you are comfortable using a table for to start with, you can form a table. Now हमेशा याद रखना, हमने शुरुआत में एक फॉर्मूला देखा था. The formula was average is equal to total upon quantity. Always remember, average always has to be total upon quantity. Okay. Now हमेशा याद रखना, जब भी ऐसे क्वेश्चंस में आपको प्राइस दिया जाता है, that you can assume that it is the average of that particular thing. So now आपको दिया है Raju purchased 3 dozen mangoes at 10 per dozen. Okay, so quantity है 3 dozen. Okay, और price बन जाता है आपका average. So as per our formula, average is equal to total upon quantity. That means we can also write it down as total is equal to average into quantity. So 10 into 3 आपका 30 आ गया. Moving further, next price है आपकी 15 और quantity है 2 dozen. So उसका भी total 30 आ गया. Next thing, we have the price is 16 and we are buying 5 dozens. So 16 fives are 80. Now always remember, यहाँ पे बहुत लोग गलती करते हैं. ये अगर आप टेबल से सॉल्व कर रहे हो तो आपका यहाँ पे क्वांटिटी का एडिशन आ जाएगा 3 plus 2 plus 5 that is 10 and total is 140. यहाँ पे बहुत लोग मिस्टेक करते हैं कि एवरेज इज 10 plus 15 plus 16. Addition is, let's say, 41. So 41 upon 3. Why 3? क्योंकि यहाँ पे 3 है. Okay, this is very wrong. Average always has to be total upon quantity. Total क्या है यहाँ पे? Total is 140 and the quantity is 10. So 140 upon 10, the final answer is 14. Okay. So many of you have already got the answer, but remember this concept as well. Okay, try to solve this question. 26. Okay. Others. Okay. काफी लोगों का अब आ रहा है आंसर 26. Perfect. So correct answer is 26. Now, how to do it? Very simple. Again, you can use a table if you want. Now, average of 5 men. मतलब 20 हमारा एवरेज हो गया एंड क्वांटिटी आपके पास 5 लोग है. So quantity is 5. So multiplying 20 by 100, 20 by 5, we get 100. Their average age increased by 1. Okay. Average age increase हो गया. So 20 का हो गया 21. Now a new man has joined. So 5 लोग थे, एक और बढ़ गया. So answer become quantity becomes 6. So total becomes 126. So whatever is the difference between these two, that becomes the answer. So answer is 26. Now there is another way as well. आप directly भी आप solve कर सकते हैं. Age of new man कैसे निकालना है? This is the original average. या फिर हम कह सकते हैं old average. 1 is the change in average. Okay. यहाँ पे अभी increase हुआ है, इसकी वजह से ये plus है. Yesterday we have seen these kind of things. Whenever it is increase, कल भी हमने देखा था परसेंटेज इंक्रीज हो रहा था तब हम 1 प्लस कर रहे थे. यहाँ पे भी इंक्रीज है, इसकी वजह से यहाँ पे प्लस है और इंक्रीज 1 ईयर से हुआ है, देयरफॉर इट इज 1. नाउ यहाँ पे है 6. नाउ व्हाई इज इट 6? बिकॉज द न्यू क्वांटिटी is 6. Okay. Now let's see if I change the data over here. Okay. Now tell me what would be the answer over here. I have changed the data. It is increased by 3 किया है मैंने. So what would be the answer? 28 या 38. Now यहाँ पे ये टेबल तो पुराने डेटा का है, बट व्हाट यू कैन डू हियर इज चेंज कितने का है? 3 का है. So 3 6 are 18. So 20 plus 18, the answer will be 38. Correct. So most of you have got the answer. Now same thing, average अगर decrease होता, decreased by let's say 2 years, what would be the answer? Their average age decreased by 2 years. The answer will be 8. Correct. 8 कैसे हुआ? For those who have not understood, I will just tell you. Now old average is 20, so I'm writing down the old average is 20. अब ये decrease हो रहा है, so minus. Decrease कितने से हो रहा है? 2 से हो रहा है, and the new quantity of people is 6. So 20 minus 12, we get the answer as 8. So the age of the new person becomes 8. So in this way, small changes in the question will be very tricky. So pay attention to the wording. Okay. Try and solve this question now. Very simple. This is one of the most common type of questions in mixtures as well. mixtures and alligation. Is it visible? Is the question visible? Okay, some of you are getting the answer as 10.4, 14.4. Okay, 14.4 looks like the most common answer. Correct. 14.4 is perfectly correct. We can do the same question by two different ways. This is the first way, by tabular way. ऑलरेडी हमने देखा है एवरेज मतलब प्राइस. सो एवरेज आपको दिया है 18. सो 18 यहाँ पे लिख सकते हो. क्वांटिटी आपको दिया है 6 kgs. मल्टीप्लाइंग इट वी हैव टोटल ऑफ 108. नेक्स्ट आपको प्राइस दिया है 12 और क्वांटिटी दिया है 9. सो देयरफॉर अगेन द टोटल इज 108. एडिंग अगेन आई एम रिपीटिंग, इसका एडिशन नहीं करना है. इसका आप कर सकते हैं 6 plus 9 is 15 and total is 216. Okay, divide total by quantity, you get the average. So the answer becomes 14.4. I hope everyone has understood this method. Now moving on, as I said, I can solve the same question by a different method as well. That is known as the alligation method. Okay, now understand the concept of alligation first. Okay, वो कैसे सॉल्व करना होता है. सो आपको अगर दो टाइप के मिक्सचर्स दिए हैं तो ही आप ये मेथड यूज कर सकते हो टू सॉल्व क्वेश्चंस. ओके, सो आपको लेफ्ट टॉप कॉर्नर में लिखना है सीपी ऑफ फर्स्ट. सीपी आई गेस आपको सबको पता है, इट इज कॉस्ट प्राइस. ओके, कॉस्ट प्राइस ऑफ द फर्स्ट मटेरियल, फर्स्ट टाइप जो भी आपको दिया है. इट कुड बी एनीथिंग, राइस, शुगर, व्हीट, कुछ भी हो सकता है. कॉस्ट प्राइस ऑफ सेकंड. ओके, यहां पे बीच में आपको कॉस्ट प्राइस ऑफ मिक्सचर लिखना है. दैट मीन्स दोनों जब मिक्स होते हैं तो क्या मिक्सचर का, बेसिकली दिस इज द एवरेज प्राइस ऑफ दैट आफ्टर मिक्सिंग. ओके, नाउ आफ्टर दिस आपको क्रॉस सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. इसका मतलब है ये वैल्यू एंड ये वैल्यू का डिफरेंस आपको यहां पे लिखना है. क्रॉस डिफरेंस मैंने लिखा है. नाउ वी ऑलवेज नीड अ पॉजिटिव डिफरेंस. ओके, मतलब जो बड़ी वैल्यू है उसमें से छोटी वैल्यू आपको सब्ट्रैक्ट करनी है. सब्ट्रैक्ट द स्मॉलर वैल्यू फ्रॉम द बिगर वैल्यू. ऑलवेज नेवर राइट डाउन अ नेगेटिव वैल्यू ओवर हियर. ठीक है, सेम थिंग फॉर दिस थिंग. दिस कॉस्ट प्राइस ऑफ सेकंड एंड कॉस्ट प्राइस ऑफ मिक्सचर का क्रॉस डिफरेंस आपको यहां पे लिखना है. ओके, वेरी सिंपल. अगेन द डिफरेंस शुड बी पॉजिटिव. ओके, ऑलवेज रिमेंबर जो पहली प्रॉपर्टी हमने एवरेज में देखी थी, दैट वुड बी एप्लीकेबल ओवर हियर एज वेल. इट वुड बी CP of first is less than CP of mixture is less than CP of second. Now one more thing, it is not necessary that ये CP of first should be the greater value. Basically what I want to tell is cost price of mixture should be between these two values. Cost price of first भी बड़ा हो सकता है. ठीक है, now understand over here, Okay, can you please share the screen? Okay, I'll just check. Some of you are having problem. Okay, I guess it is visible now. Shardul, Shubham. Okay, cool. Okay, so basically, uh, आपको यहाँ पे कॉस्ट प्राइस ऑफ फर्स्ट लिखना है, कॉस्ट प्राइस ऑफ सेकंड, कॉस्ट प्राइस ऑफ मिक्सचर शुड बी इन द मिडिल, एंड आपको यहाँ पे क्रॉस डिफरेंस. नाउ क्वांटिटी ऑफ फर्स्ट नीड्स टू बी रिटन डाउन ओवर हियर. सो इसकी क्वांटिटी यहाँ पे होगी और इसकी क्वांटिटी यहाँ पे. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, अगर आपने ये क्वांटिटीज एक्सचेंज कर दी, योर आंसर वुड बी रॉन्ग. सो बी केयरफुल. Now let's see how we can use this particular method for our question over here. I am using the same question जिसका आपका आंसर 14.4 already आ चुका है. I am using the same question so that you can understand how this method is useful over here. Now you can see here, पहला cost price of first 18 यहाँ पे लिखा है, cost price of second 12 यहाँ पे. ठीक है. Now luckily we have a question here itself that wherein we have the cost price of first which is greater. Okay, so as I had said, it is not necessary that cost price of first should be less than cost price of second. It could be like this as well. Now we want to find out the price of mixture, so वो हम x लिख सकते हैं. Now cross subtract करना है. Now tell me, x value 18 से बड़ा होगा या कम होगा? The value of x, will it be higher than 18 or less than 18? Less. Perfect. Now why will it be less? Because as we had discussed, the x value will be between 12 and 18. So 18 से कम होगा और 12 से ज्यादा होगा. So cross subtraction, how will I write down the cross subtraction for 18 and x? Will it be x minus 18 or 18 minus x? I need to get a positive value. Perfect. It should be 18 minus x. Why 18 minus x? क्योंकि x की वैल्यू कम है. अगर x minus 18, some of you have written down x minus 18. If x minus 18 लिखा हमने, तो हमें नेगेटिव आंसर मिलेगा, which would be wrong. So therefore it has to be 18 minus x. Similarly, x value is greater than 12. So therefore it has to be x minus 12. I guess this part is clear. It is very important. If you have any doubts, please ask. Now moving on to the next part, mixture का quantity. Okay. Now 18 per kg का quantity है 6 and 12 वाले का quantity है 9. So we write it down respectively. यहाँ पे 18 का quantity है 6 and 12 का quantity है 9. Now we just equate it. यहाँ पे you can see I have written down a equal to sign now. So basically we have a very simple fraction. Apurva, what is 15? I guess I missed out. 15 is total. Correct. Now in this particular case, okay, no problem. 15 is not necessary in this particular type of method. We are just going to keep it as 6 and 9. Okay. Now this is your basic simple fraction. So we can now cross multiply. Okay. So 6 को आप इससे मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हैं एंड 9 को इससे. So we will have 6 into 18 minus x is equal to 9 into x minus 12. Now multiplication मत करो इतना बड़ा. Try to reduce your effort. Half of you might not know the table of 18, so you will waste time over there. So therefore, what you can do is reduce here itself. 6 and 9 में common factor है 3. So reduce it. It becomes 2 into 18 minus x is equal to 3 into x minus 12. Solving it further, we will have it as 36 minus 2x is equal to 3x minus 36. Simplifying, we will have 72 equal to 5x and x equal to 14.4. Same answer as we had got in the previous one, but this method is different. Now ये वाला method अभी इस question के लिए it was a bit difficult, a bit lengthy, right? So you can use the tabular method to solve this one, but you should know this method. Okay. Now this is one of the most important methods, alligation methods. So if you have not written down this part, write it down. This is very useful not only for mixture questions, but also questions involving two groups and which has average base. Okay. Okay. Now try to solve this question. Okay. Harshal Pandit, I guess some of your friend might have given you the link. Okay, Harshal has left. Okay, so Vaibhav has got the answer as 34. Others, is 34 correct? A batsman had an average of 20 runs in the first 6 tests. In the second to seventh tests, his average score was 21. If he scored a total of 30 runs in the first and the seventh tests, find his score in the seventh test. Okay. Now, Vaibhav, 34. I don't know the correct answer, but 34 is surely wrong because आपको यहाँ पे क्या दिया है कि if he scored total of 30 runs in first and seventh test, एडिशन दोनों का 30 है, तो एक टेस्ट में 30 से ज्यादा तो ऑब्वियसली नहीं होगा. Others are getting 24. Okay, be careful. I guess you are making a silly mistake. Omkar, Chirag, Shardul, Shreya, check. I guess 24 is wrong. Anyone else? Amayat, 15. No, not 15 as well. Shardul, 12. Apurva, 8. Okay. Now let's see over here. I guess no one has got the correct answer until now. That's what I think. Maybe Shardul is the closest one to the correct answer. Okay, finally, Tejashri. Tejashri, I guess the answer is 18. That's what I think by reading. Okay, so now first 6 tests. Okay, so if I have the tests like this, if I name them as by the first uh, five or first 6 alphabets. So the first 6 alphabets are A, B, C, D, E, F. So B, C, D, E, F are basically the runs scored in the second till sixth test. Second till sixth, correct. Okay. Now आपको पहला डेटा क्या दिया है? A batsman had an average of 20 runs in the first 6 tests. Okay. So average 20 है, मतलब total runs कितने हुए? So total will be 20 multiplied by 6, that is 120. Any doubts over here? 120 I guess सबको आ जाएगा. Next thing is आपको अगला डेटा क्या दिया है? सेकंड टू सेवेंथ टेस्ट. सो बी सी डी ई एफ फिर से यहां पे है एंड द सेवेंथ टेस्ट इज जी और इसका एवरेज है 21. अब यहाँ पे टोटल क्वांटिटी इज अगेन 6. So 21 multiplied by 6, that is, we have the answer as 126. Now, if I subtract the first equation, ये अगर first equation है, ये second equation है. If I do second equation minus first equation, I will get the equation as G minus A is equal to 6. Is it correct? Okay. Why are you getting this 126? हाँ, okay. पिछले वाले का 126. Perfect. Okay. So G minus A is equal to 6. I guess this part is clear. Now we have got the next data that total of 30 runs in the first and seventh. इसका मतलब हमारा नेक्स्ट इक्वेशन मिल जाता है G plus A is equal to 30. Okay, if I add these two equations, I will have 2G is equal to 36 and therefore G is equal to 18. G plus A is equal to 30. Perfect. I guess everyone has understood this part. We get the answer, find the score in the seventh test as 18. Any doubts? Now be careful again. यहाँ पे आपको पूछा है सेवेंथ टेस्ट का स्कोर, therefore the answer is 18. अगर फर्स्ट टेस्ट का पूछा होता तो आंसर will be 12. So some of you got the answer as 12, correct? So that's why I said that that person was closer. Okay, now moving on to the next question. Very simple question. Again, the basic things. Try to solve this one. Now this concept is known as weighted average. Try to solve this one. You can form a table like this. Average quantity table, total. Average आपको marks दिया है 90, 120 and 150. The strength is 30, 40 and 50. Now you should know the tables. 9 threes are 27, 12 fours are 48, 15 fives are 75. Add up all these values. So what is the value you are getting over here? So 9 plus 6. So 15,000 upon the addition over here is 120. So कितना आ रहा है average? 125. So zeros get cancelled like this. So 1500 upon 12. 12 square is 144. आगे 660 बचता है. So correct answer is 125. Perfect. I guess everyone is clear with these simple things. Moving on. Try to solve this question now. Again, you can use the tabular way if you are comfortable with that. Six. Okay. Now, for those who have not got the answer, we don't know the number of people in the group initially. So you can assume the quantity as X. आपको average दिया हुआ है 37. So the total becomes 37X. Now, 6 new friends whose average age is 35. So there are 6 people. Their average age is 35. So 35 into 6, 210 is the total. Very simple thing which I am doing. 35 6 are is 210. Okay. Now the average age of the entire group becomes 36. Okay. So average age of the entire group is now 36. Now quantity is x plus 6 and यहाँ पे आ जाएगा 37x plus 210. Okay. So now solving this thing, यहाँ पे आ जाएगा आपका 36x plus 216 is equal to 37x plus 210. Solving x is equal to 6. Very good. Most of you have got the answer. I have just solved it for those who didn't get the answer. Please refer to my solution. Any doubts? Okay. Can you solve this one? क्या हुआ? Adil, Akanksha, no is for any doubts or okay, very good. ठीक ठीक. Try to solve this question now. The average age of the boys in a class is 18 years. $15.6. Shubham is getting 16. Okay, now here, because it is a ratio, you can assume the quantity number of boys and girls as 3x and 2x if you want. For this particular question, you can also assume that there are 3 boys and 2 girls directly. So average age of boys is 18 and average age of girls is 12. So 18 threes are 54, 12 twos are 24. Addition is 78. 78 upon 5. Why 5? 3 plus 2 is 5. 78 upon 5 will be your average. So I guess most of you have got the correct answer as 15.6. Perfect. Okay. Try to solve this question. If 10 liters of 80% alcohol is mixed with 15 liters of 60% alcohol, find the concentration of the resulting solution. Okay, 68%. Okay, now which method have you used? General average or allegation method? Tabular. Okay, perfectly fine. Now I'll just show you how to solve it by allegation as well. Tabular would be a bit faster over here, I guess. Now I'll just tell you how to do it by allegation as well. Now allegation में अभी मैंने जब बताया था, it was only for prices, but such kind of questions can also be done by allegation method. So the initial the percentage of the first type, you can write it down over here, 80%. I'm not writing down percentage over here. Next thing is 60. नाउ ये वैल्यू हमें पता नहीं है, लेट्स अज्यूम इट एज x. वी नो द क्वांटिटीज ओवर हियर. 80% का हमारा क्वांटिटी है 10 एंड 60 का क्वांटिटी है 15. ओके, नाउ टेल मी ओवर हियर, will it be x minus 60 or 60 minus x? X minus 60. Perfect. Why x minus 60? Because ये x वैल्यू है, इट इज ऑलवेज बिटवीन दीज टू वैल्यूज. 60 छोटी वैल्यू है, सो 60 से x बड़ा होना चाहिए. सो यहाँ पे आएगा x minus 60 एंड यहाँ पे आ जाएगा 80 minus x. Now we have to cross multiply and solve it. Reduce the values over here itself. So 2 and 3. So cross multiplying, we will get it as 3x minus 180 is equal to 160 minus 2x. So 2x comes on the left hand side. We have 5x is equal to 340. So x is equal to 68. Perfect. Now tabular is obviously correct, no doubt. But alligation method is also quite useful. You can try using allegations for such kind of questions as well. Okay, one sec. Okay, try this question. How many liters of water should be added to a 30-liter mixture of milk and water containing 70% milk such that the resultant mixture has 40% water in it? Okay, try to solve it. Now this question is a bit tricky because यहाँ पे आपको अल्कोहल का परसेंटेज एक डेटा में दिया है और दूसरे में वाटर का दिया है. So that could be a bit confusing, but try and solve it. Very good, Prasan Raj. Okay. Prasan Raj's answer is correct. Anyone else who has got 5? Shruti has got 5. Omkar has also got 5. Now, Prasanraj, Shruti, and Omkar, have you solved it by allegation or by the other way? Normal, average concept. Prasanraj, Shruti, Omkar, normal. Okay. By forming a equation. Okay. Omkar has solved it by allegation. Okay. Now, if we are solving this question by allegation, we have to be very careful over here. The most important thing I have written down over here. First, write all values in terms of percentage of one liquid. ओके, सो इसका मतलब क्या है कि परसेंटेज जो है मिल्क के हिसाब से इधर लिखो या फिर वाटर के हिसाब से लिखो. डोंट राइट वन लिक्विड in terms of milk and the second in terms of water. Now the same concept is applicable for alcohol solutions as well. अल्कोहल में एंड मिल्क में दोनों में whenever आपको अल्कोहल परसेंटेज एंड मिल्क परसेंटेज दिया जाता है, the remaining thing is obviously water. Okay, now let's understand what I'm saying by write down all percentage values in terms of water. Okay, very simple. यहाँ पे आपको पहला मिल्क क्या दिया है, 70% मिल्क आपको दिया. 70% आपको मिल्क दिया है. दैट्स वाई we have 30% of water. ओके, नाउ यहां पे हम वाटर ऐड कर रहे हैं. वाटर हैज नो क्वांटिटी ऑफ मिल्क इन इट. इट इज 100% water. So therefore I am writing down 100 over here. ओके, ये दोनों वैल्यूज समझ में आ गए, 30 एंड 100. ओके, नाउ ये 40 क्यों है, बिकॉज आपको पूछा है रिजल्टेंट मिक्सचर में 40% वाटर चाहिए. सो देयरफॉर यहाँ पे 40. द नेक्स्ट थिंग एलिगेशन मेथड से ही करना है हमें, क्रॉस सब्ट्रैक्शन. सो 100 minus 40 we get 60. 40 minus 30 we get 10. ओके, यहाँ पे 60 आ गया, यहाँ पे 10 आ गया. एनी डाउट्स ओवर हियर? 60 एंड 10 कैसे आ गया? नाउ यहाँ पे आपको 70% मिल्क जो है, 70% मिल्क, इसी का मतलब है 30% वाटर. इसका क्वांटिटी कितना दिया है आपको, 30 लीटर. सो एज वी हैड लर्नड इन द एलिगेशन टेक्निक, उसी के नीचे उसकी क्वांटिटी लिखनी है. सो ये 30 इज द क्वांटिटी. ओके, और ये क्वांटिटी हमें पूछा है, हाउ मेनी लीटर्स. ओके, so therefore we cross multiply over here, we get 60x is equal to 10 into 30, that is 300. So x is equal to 5. Perfect. Has everyone understood this part? Yes. Amey, I will also tell you how to do it by the normal method as well. Yes. Okay. Now I'll just tell you by both things. This is all in terms of water percentage. ठीक है. Similarly, I will write down over here in terms of milk percentage. ठीक है. नाउ 70% मिल्क दिया है, दैट इज द फर्स्ट लिक्विड ओवर हियर, करेक्ट. सो 70 आई एम राइटिंग डाउन ओवर हियर. यहाँ पे हम ऐड क्या कर रहे हैं, वी आर एडिंग प्योर वाटर. नाउ प्योर वाटर में मिल्क परसेंटेज कितना होगा, तो वो होगा 0, करेक्ट. ये 0 कैसे आया इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. मिल्क परसेंटेज 0 है बट वाटर परसेंटेज 100 है, क्योंकि ये प्योर वाटर है, उसमें कुछ मिल्क का प्रपोर्शन नहीं है. अंडरस्टैंड दिस थिंग. ओके. नाउ मिल्क परसेंटेज के हिसाब से हमें लिखना है. अब रिजल्टेंट मिक्सचर का हमें क्या दिया है, 40% वाटर. 40% वाटर है, इसका मतलब मिल्क है 60, करेक्ट. कैसे आया 60, 100 माइनस 40 वी गेट 60. उसके बाद फिर से क्रॉस सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है, 60 माइनस 0 इज 60 एंड यहाँ पे 10. इसकी क्वांटिटी हमें दी गई है 30 और इसकी क्वांटिटी हमें पता नहीं है, सो x. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई, we get the value as x is equal to 5. Have you understood this second method of alligation as well? I will tell you the normal method as well. Only be careful that you solve it by either method. दोनों का कॉम्बिनेशन करके यहाँ पे कुछ गड़बड़ मत करना. मतलब यहाँ पे 70 लिखा है तो यहाँ पे 100 लिखना है, लिखा आपने ये वाला 100. डोंट मेक दैट मिस्टेक्स. अगर ये वाला मिस्टेक किया तो आपका गलत आ जाएगा. It has to, if you are writing down this in terms of milk percentage, this value and this value should also be in terms of milk percentage. Be careful. Now I will tell you how to solve it by the normal method. Okay. How many liters of water should be added to a 30 liter of mixture of milk and water containing 70% of milk such that the resultant mixture has 40% water in it? Okay. So you can assume that X liters of water is being added to a 30 liter mixture. Okay. Sorry. Okay. So first of all, find out the quantity of water over here. 70% milk है, मतलब 30% water है, right? So X हमने assume किया है. Original water कितना है? That is 30% of 30 liters. That is nothing but 9 liters. Okay. अब हमें क्या दिया है कि फाइनल मिक्सचर में हमारा 40% वाटर होना चाहिए. ओके. सो 9 लीटर्स ऑलरेडी है हमारे पास. हम प्योर वाटर ऐड कर रहे हैं, मतलब x लीटर्स पानी ही ऐड कर रहे हैं. मतलब फाइनल क्वांटिटी में हमारा टोटल वाटर कंटेंट होगा 9 प्लस x, करेक्ट. एंड द फाइनल टोटल क्वांटिटी विल बी, ऑलरेडी हमारे पास 30 लीटर मिक्सचर है, उसमें हम x लीटर्स पानी डाल रहे हैं, राइट. दिस इज नथिंग बट 40%. Okay. So now solving this thing, 0 आप कैंसिल कर सकते हो. You can also reduce this, या फिर ऐसे ही आप मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हैं. 90 प्लस 10x is equal to 120 plus 4x. 4x comes on the left hand side, we get 6x is equal to 30, x is equal to 5. Okay, any doubts over here? This is the normal method. पहले देखा वो है एलिगेशन मेथड. इट इज अप टू यू कौन सा आपको मेथड. ओके, any doubts over here? No. So both methods you will get the same answer. It is up to your convenience. Okay, moving further. Okay, try to solve this question. Foam car has got 138. $120. Shreya Kaushal have got 120. Rohan has also got 120. Okay, so majority of you are getting it as 120. Okay, have you solved it by tabular method or any other way? Okay, now for such questions, you can use this formula, this concept. Okay, perfect. Perfect. Ameya, Shreya, what you are doing is perfectly correct. So new person weight, जो बंदा चला गया है उसका weight 140. Now the average weight has decreased. Decreased है, therefore it is minus. Number of men is 10. And कितने से decrease हुआ है? तो 2 से decrease हुआ है. So therefore 140 minus 20, we get the answer as 120. Perfectly correct. Okay, so try and solve as many questions as possible so that ये ऐसे वाले questions आप orally solve कर सकते हैं. No need of using paper, pen, calculators and so on. You can do it orally as well. Okay, have you understood this concept? New person weight is equal to 140 minus 10 into 2. अगर average weight of 10 men is increased होता तो यहाँ पे हो जाता +20. So the answer would be 160. Correct. So be careful. क्या पूछा है? Yesterday we have seen this concept. Increase है तो plus, decrease है तो minus. Basically, it's a logical concept. Okay. Moving on to the next question. Try to solve this one. Prasan Raj is getting 5. Okay. Now everyone is getting 5. Perfect. अब ये 5 कैसे आया? Very simple. अब now we know the total of this group has increased by 30. Why 30 से increase हुआ है? क्योंकि 56 एज का बंदा आया है और 26 साल का बंदा गया है. So the total has increased by 30 and the average has increased by 6. So 30 upon 6 अगर आपने किया तो आ जाएगा आपका 5. Okay. So therefore the number of men in this group is 5. Okay, try this question. Okay, Kaushal has got the answer as 66. Okay, Bhakti Ankita are also getting it as 66. Okay, let's see how to solve this question. Average of 15 papers is 50. So 50 multiplied by 15. So total marks are 750. The average of the first 8 papers. Okay, first 8 papers का average है 48. So 48 into 8. 8 8 is 64. 8 4 is 32 plus 6, 384. The average of the last 8 papers is 54. So 54 to 8. Now, if we add these two values, you are getting the answer as 816. Now, you can see that if you read the question carefully, the eighth paper is being counted in both the scenarios. फर्स्ट एट में भी एट्थ पेपर आता है और लास्ट एट में भी एट्थ पेपर आता है. इसका मतलब वो एक बार सब्ट्रैक्ट करना पड़ेगा, तभी आपका ये 15 मार्क्स 15 पेपर्स का एवरेज एंड टोटल 750 आएगा. सो if we subtract 750 from this thing, you will get the answer, that is 66. Any doubts over here? Many of you have got the answer. Okay, very good. Moving on. Similar question. Try to solve this. Okay, 307. Perfect. So, similar question, but यहाँ पे 49th result is not being counted at all. Okay, first 48 results, so we can have it as 48 into 36. पहले आपको दिया है एवरेज ऑफ 61 रिजल्ट्स इज 43. ओके, सो 61 into 43, जो भी आंसर आपका यहाँ पे आएगा लिखो. लास्ट 12 का 49 है, सो 12 into 49 यहाँ पे आएगा. whatever the value, remaining value you get, that is the result for 49th. So answer is 307. Perfect. Okay, Vinith, I have skipped the multiplication part. I guess you guys can do it. Okay, so in this way we can solve this question. Okay, try to solve this question. Allegation question है. दोनों मेथड से आप ट्राई कर सकते हो. We have already solved a similar question. Okay. Okay. Which method have you used? Allegation or the other method? Allegation. Okay. Any of the methods you can use. A mixture of 160 gallons of wine and water contains 25% of water. How much water must be added? Okay. So now I'm just repeating the allegation method for those who have missed out. परसेंटेज वाटर में है इसलिए मैंने 25 डायरेक्टली लिखा. वाटर ऐड कर रहे हैं, दैट बिकम्स 100% वाटर. रिजल्टेंट मिक्सचर में 40% वाटर है, देयरफॉर दिस इज 40. क्रॉस सब्ट्रैक्ट किया, यहाँ पे 60 आया, यहाँ पे 15 आया. वी कैन रिड्यूस द रेशियो. यू कैन सी इट इज 4:1. आप यहाँ पे क्वांटिटी क्या दिया है? 160 गैलन्स. इसका क्वांटिटी 160 गैलन्स दिया है, सो दैट बिकम्स ओवर हियर यहाँ पे x. सो देयरफॉर आंसर विल बी 40 गैलन्स. परफेक्ट. Okay, try to solve this question.
Hello.
Yes.
Sir, I have a question. If म्हणजे जेव्हा आपण पहिली जी क्वांटिटी असते त्याची टोटल अमाऊंट घ्यायची असते ना आपल्याला एलिगेशन मध्ये.
हा, कुठल्या क्वेश्चन साठी म्हणतोय? या क्वेश्चन साठी?
लास्ट क्वेश्चन साठी, आधीच्या क्वेश्चन साठी.
कुठला?
आपण
वाइन अँड वॉटर वाला?
हो.
हा, ओके.
तर आपण 60 जे आलंय आपलं त्याच्या खाली आपण 100 मायनस 40 केलं ना. हा,
100 मायनस 40 60 केलं. करेक्ट.
तर मग त्याच्या खाली जी क्वांटिटी असते ती प्युअर वॉटरची लिहायची असते आपल्याला की
नाही नाही,
फॉर्म्युलामध्ये
मिक्सचरची. सो ज्याचं पर्सेंटेज आपण वरती लिहितो त्याचीच क्वांटिटी खाली लिहिली पाहिजे.
ओके, चालेल.
ठीक आहे. बी केअरफुल विथ दिस थिंग. येस, नो प्रॉब्लेम. Okay, so try to solve this question now. Okay, 30 answer you're getting. What should be the amount of the second type of milk? Okay. For those who have not got the answer, I'll just show how to do it. First cost price, write it down over here. Second cost price 10 over here. Mixture की cost price हमें दी है. You can see here it is 9.2. So write it down over here. Cross subtract. So यहाँ पे आ जाएगा 0.8. यहाँ पे आ जाएगा 1.2. Okay. Now what should be the amount of the second type? So second type का हमें पता नहीं है. This should be x. So यहाँ पे आपको first type of milk in the mixture is 20. Okay. So now you can see ये 0.8. We can forget about this thing. Basically it is 8:12. 8:12 is nothing but 2:3. So x की वैल्यू आ जाएगी आपकी 30. ओके सिद्धांत, आई गेस कुछ आपका गलत आ गया आंसर. 25 वोंट बी द आंसर.
सर जब हम रेशियो निकालते हैं चीपर टू
हाँ
डेंसर का, तो
हाँ.
हमारा रेशियो आया 1.2.
बीच में सुनाई नहीं दिया, क्या बोला आपने?
तो वो रेशियो आया है 0.8:1.2.
करेक्ट
चीपर टू डेंसर वाला रेशियो, मतलब वो दो
करेक्ट
टाइप के
करेक्ट.
मिलके ना. सो
परफेक्ट
दैट इज
परफेक्ट. पॉइंट
दैट.
8.
हाँ,
हाँ.
सो that is actually we know that we have to, like, first type of milk is we have to take 20
20
kg of,
kg.
so point eight
करेक्ट.
into x equals to 20.
0.8 अपॉन
In,
20. अपॉन
uh,
20 आ जाएगा. ये हमेशा
okay.
याद रखना कि क्वांटिटी उसी के नीचे आनी चाहिए. क्रॉस सब्ट्रैक्शन में मतलब 8 यहाँ पे है तो इसकी क्वांटिटी इधर नहीं आएगी. इट विल ऑलवेज बी ओवर हियर.
Okay.
ठीक है, समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
यस. ओके. सो बी केयरफुल विथ these things. That is where we tend to make mistakes. Now, therefore, the answer will be 30. Now, ये मेथड तो ऑब्वियसली है ही, बट कैन वी सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन बाय द टेबुलर मेथड? I'll just show you how to solve this by tabular method. आपको प्राइस दिया है 8 एंड 10. 8 वाले की क्वांटिटी आपको दी है 20. करेक्ट. तो यहाँ पे आ जाएगा 160. इसकी क्वांटिटी हमें पता नहीं है, सो x. ठीक है, सो यहाँ पे आ जाएगा 10x. सो ये हम ऐड कर सकते हैं. सो 160 प्लस 10x इज इक्वल टू, नाउ क्वांटिटी विल बी एडेड. सो क्वांटिटी हमारे पास हो जाएगा 20 प्लस x. ये ऐड नहीं होगा, इसका 8 एंड 10 का एवरेज भी नहीं होगा. हमें यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है मिक्सचर का क्या है 9.2. सो 9.2 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 20 प्लस x. ओके, सो 9.2 इंटू 20 कितना हो जाएगा? आई गेस 184 प्लस 9.2x is equal to 160 plus 10x. Okay, 160 can come on this side, so you have 24 is equal to 0.8x. So x comes out as 30. So it doesn't matter eventually आप कौन सा method use कर रहे हो, the answer still remains the same. In this case it is 30. Okay, now try to solve this question. क्वेश्चन इस टाइप का क्वेश्चन आपने ऑलरेडी सॉल्व किया है, लेकिन आपको डेटा थोड़े अलग किस्म से दिया है. सो ट्राई टू थिंक.
सर प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन पे एक बार.
हाँ, क्या हुआ?
ओके
ये
सर.
वाला
हाँ हाँ, नहीं हो गया, थैंक यू.
हो गया. ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम. ओके, ट्राई टू सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन. Okay, Rashmi is getting the answer as 16.5. Okay, Rashmi, how have you solved it? By allegation or any other method? Normal. Okay. Okay. Now let's see how to solve it by the allegation method. Now इसके पहले हमने क्वेश्चन सॉल्व किए थे, तब परसेंटेज टर्म्स में मिल्क एंड अल्कोहल दिया था. वी रोट डाउन द परसेंटेज इन द लेफ्ट कॉर्नर, राइट कॉर्नर मिक्सचर का टारगेट परसेंटेज हमने बीच में लिखा एंड सो ऑन. राइट नाउ यहाँ पे आपको दिया है 8:3 रेशियो है. ओके, 8:3 रेशियो है. सो टोटल के कंपैरिजन में स्पिरिट कितना है, तो वी कैन राइट इट डाउन एज 8/8 + 3. That is, I can write down in the left corner 8/11. ठीक है. In the second, I am given the ratio as 5:1. That I can write it down as 5/6. Okay. And final resultant आपको रेशियो दिया है 4:1. 4:1, I can write it down as 4/5. Okay. Now, can you cross subtract by our normal allegation method? Now 4/5 and 5/6, which value would be greater? 4/5 and 5/6.
5/6.
Perfect. 5/6 will be greater. So बड़े वैल्यू में से छोटी वैल्यू सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. So 5/6 minus 4/5. What will be the answer? I guess 1/30. Is it correct? Correct. Okay, now the next thing, 4/5 minus 8/11. Denominator is 55. So 44 minus 40, that is 4/55. Okay. अब हमें पूछा क्या है? How many letters are taken from the first verse? Okay. Now, if we cross multiply this thing, we will get it as 55 is to 120. Is it correct? Hello, is it audible? Okay. Now 55 is to 120. Can we reduce it? Here itself, I guess we can reduce. If we divide this by 5, we get 6 over here, and here we get 11. So ये आप 5 से डिवाइड करोगे तो इवेंचुअली आपका आ जाएगा 11 is to 24. Now 11 plus 24 आपको 35 ऑलरेडी दिया हुआ है. So therefore फर्स्ट में से कितना आया? The answer will be 11. Correct. Is it clear, this question?
हॅलो सर, रेशो परत
Yes.
एकदा सांगा कसा आला?
कुठला वाला?
आज 55:120 म्हणजे 11
55 is to 1. Okay, okay. सांगतो. Okay. Okay. Now so इकडे आपल्याला आलाय 1/30 आणि इकडे आलाय आपल्याला 4/55. ओके, इथपर्यंत क्लिअर झालं असेल तर पुढचं सोपं आहे. मी काय केलं होतं, आय जस्ट रोट डाऊन 1/30 इज इक्वल टू 4/55. हे क्रॉस मल्टिप्लाय केलं त्यामुळे वी गॉट इट एज 55 is to, sorry, this is not equal to, this is to 55 is to 120. If we divide these two terms by 5, we get the answer as 11 is to 24. Now it is up to you कौन सी मेथड आपको प्रेफरेबल है, आपको कन्वीनियंट है. You can use alligation method or you can use this method as well. ठीक है. Now okay, try and solve this question. Two solutions of 80% and 87% purity are mixed, resulting in 35 liters of mixture of 84% purity. How much is the quantity of the first solution? It is exactly similar to the previous question, लेकिन यहाँ पे परसेंटेज वैल्यूज दिया है तो वो ज्यादा आसान हो जाता है. You can see here, you can write down over here 80, 87, 4 क्रॉस सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे तो यहाँ पे आ जाएगा 3:4. ओके, 3:4 क्वांटिटी का रेशियो है, so you can have it as, here I am doing it, 3x plus 4x is equal to 35. So 7x equal to 35. So x equal to 5. आपको पूछा है how much quantity of the first solution. So first solution is 3x. So x 5 है तो 3x will be 15. Perfect. Very simple question. Okay. Now, like yesterday, we are going to solve one last question which came in CAT 2019. Try to solve this one. Okay. So you are getting the answer as 80%. Okay. Very good. The answer is correct. Okay, very good. Now let's see how to solve it. Okay, so I'm writing down the weights over here. 1 liter of liquid 1 is 1 kg. 1 kg is nothing but 1000 grams. Liquid 2 का weight है 800 grams. So 800 यहाँ पे लिखा. अब मिक्सचर, फाइनल मिक्सचर जो है उसमें क्या दिया है, हाफ लीटर ऑफ द मिक्सचर वेज 480 grams. That means 1 liter 500 मिलीलीटर का है 480, तो 1 लीटर का हो जाएगा 960. राइट, सो वी कैन राइट डाउन द मिक्सचर वैल्यू एज 960. Very simple. Now just cross subtract. 960 minus 800 is 160. And यहाँ पे 1000 minus 960 is 40. The ratio comes out to be 4:1. Ratio is 4:1. आपको पूछा है percentage of liquid 1 in the mixture in terms of volume. So इसका मतलब है 4 upon 4 plus 1. That is 4/5. Liquid 1 है, percentage terms में पूछा है, इसकी वजह से जैसे हमने कल देखा था to convert a fraction to a percentage, we multiply it by 100. So answer comes as 80%. So in this way, we can get the answer as 80. Some of you might have used this method. Some of you might have used a different approach. Eventually, the answer is 80. I guess this is quite fast. So आपको आपके हिसाब से solve करना है. Don't have a ego problem कि allegation से ही करना है या फिर normal method से ही करना है. जो आपको क्वेश्चन के हिसाब से ठीक लगे वो मेथड आप यूज कर सकते हैं. Okay, so this was about it for the topic averages and mixtures and allegations. Okay, any doubts? Was the speed okay? Now I have tried. How did we get 960? Okay, आपको यहाँ पे क्या दिया है? हाफ लीटर मतलब 500 मिलीलीटर. 500 लीटर का वेट है 480 ग्राम्स. 500 मिलीलीटर आपको यहाँ पे मिक्सचर का दिया है. हाफ लीटर इज 500 मिलीलीटर. उसका वेट है 480 ग्राम्स. तो उसको डबल किया तो 1 लीटर आता है. नाउ डबल क्यों किया? क्योंकि बाकी सारे टर्म्स 1 लीटर के हिसाब से, ये एंड ये. So therefore ये भी डबल किया. We get the answer as 960. Okay, and then we got it by allegation 4:1. 4:1 मतलब 80%. So that's how we have got this answer. Okay, so that's about it for today's lecture of averages and mixtures and allegations. Some of you might have given the test 1, which was based on averages and mixtures and allegations. अब ये टॉपिक हमारा होने के बाद you can try to get the questions again. आपको आ रहे questions या नहीं आ रहे आप चेक कर सकते हो. It is always advisable to solve as many questions as you can. अभी as it is lockdown है तो कुछ कर नहीं सकते बाकी, तो आप you can try and solve as many questions as possible. कोई भी सोर्स हो चलेगा. RS अग्रवाल है, बाकी ऑनलाइन भी बहुत सारे साइट्स है. Solve from them. If you have any doubts, you can ask any particular question. अगर आपको नहीं आ रहा है आप ग्रुप पे डाल सकते हो, व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप पे, and we will clarify the doubt over there. Okay, so we'll stop here for today. We'll meet tomorrow at the same time, 4 p.m. So, thank you.